Assalamu alaikum students, this is Najma Khan here welcoming you back with the lesson number 4 of SST, unit number 2, and this is the second part of the unit number 2. You all know that we have learned about oceans and seas and rivers in our past lesson. Ocean and seas which provide us with the salt water, and rivers which provide us with the fresh water to drink. I hope you all remember it. Let's quickly move towards our today's topic, which is storing and using of water. It is very understood that we cannot live without water. We need water to drink, wash, cook, grow crops and keep animals. Some factories also use water to make things. Water can be used to produce electricity. We can use water to go fishing, swimming and boating. We all need and use water every day. And we all know, if you remember that water cycle, you will know that the fresh water that we drink and use on our daily basis only comes from the rain. Rain is the only natural resource which provides us with the fresh water. But it does not rain every day, and some months have less rainfall than others. And for that days we need to store water so that we have it when we need it. So here are some ways to store the water. Tanks or reservoirs and dams are some of the ways to store waters. Canals and wells are also a source to provide water in the areas where they do not have rivers with them. In Balochistan, where it is very dry, the people use wells and underground channels to bring water to the surface. This system is called a kares and has been used for hundreds of years. The water is used for watering crops. Let's talk about the dams, which are the big way to save the water. A dam is a thick wall built across a river or lake to hold the water back. Water can be let out of the dam when it is needed. The water the dam holds back forms a lake. We can use this water for drinking, producing electricity, growing crops and fisheries. People can use the lakes for boating and fishing. Dams can also help to control flooding. Pakistan has many dams. The largest is Tarbela Dam on the Indus River. The Hub Dam provides drinking water for the people of Karachi and irrigation water for farmers in Balochistan. Thus, building of the dams is a big source of saving the water, and they are very useful to us. While they have a lot of benefits, they also have some problems which are caused by building of the dams. Now you are going to tell me what problems can building of dams cause. Find, search and tell me through your assignment what problems can building of dams cause, and then send me on this given email address. Thank you so much.